Hi guys, this is an old Ford Galaxy, year 2009. This is my car and I'm gonna show you on my car how to fix those cloudy headlights cheap, the best way in my opinion. The light is not so bright anymore, so in the dark side of the moon it is not possible to drive, and it is hard to drive in the dark time of the day. Also, one thing, the Ford is a very easy car if you need to work with the headlights, because you just unscrew 3 screws and you can take the headlight out, so you can work easily on a table and don't damage the paintwork on the car. For the repair, I will use this cheap repair kit from AliExpress. I got it for $50 if I remember right. It has this blue liquid that stinks very bad and a heatable tank. Here you fill this blue liquid inside and then you heat the tank. You plug it in a power source and then a steam comes out and you can repair the headlights. But before that, you need to sand the headlights to a very smooth finish, so it looks very good. You need to remove all the old clear coat what is on the headlights, and then you can start to do the magic. I will use my orbital sanding machine and sanding paper with a 600 grit. So with the 600 grit sandpaper I got out the small stone chips, so the finish is more smoother. The less stone chips you will leave in the plastic glass, then better the look will be. But anyway, some of them are so deep that it is impossible to get them out. So just leave them, and I will move on with a 3M 800 grit sandpaper on a foam. I will use it like a wet sanding paper. If you don't have this orbital sanding machine, you can just use your hands and the wet sandpaper, starting with a 800 grit, continue with a 1000 grit, then 1500 grit, so you just get the finish very smooth. Then better you will get this finish, the better the coating will look on the glass. So pay attention. It makes a lot of efforts to make the plastic glass look good, but it is worth it. So let's move on with a wet 800 grit 3M on a foam. So now I'm finished with the 800 grit. I will move on with a Kovacs orange sandpaper. It is a 1200 grit. I will also use it like a wet one. And let's move on. I think I'm gonna leave it like it is at this moment, because it looks actually enough good for me. So I just need to wait till the tank is hot enough and the steam starts to come out. So then we can start to cover the plastic glass with the steam. So and you can see that the glass is starting to be pretty shiny. It starts to look like a new glass. Just carefully make it all very nice and look very good, so you don't miss any spots. I will do it 3 times because in my experience, the more you make the coats on it, so the lasting is more durable, the coating is more durable and thicker. So let the magic happen. I don't know what kind of liquid it is, but it stinks very bad. But it also makes the plastic glass look very good. Yeah, and be careful so you don't put also the same liquid on the glass, so it makes some marks on it. Just be careful. Work slow and easy. No need to speed the work up. And also, if you make more coats on it and you have a very harsh finish from the sanding, so some of the scratches just get filled with the coating and the finish looks a little bit more nice. I made this coating on few cars. One of the cars, what I know, the job is done approximately 7 months ago, and the headlights still look very good. Some says that the coating lasts from 1 to 2 years, but I don't know about that because I don't have any experience at this point with so long driving a car with this coating on it. And I think I'm done with this one. So take a look yourself. This is how it looks after the sanding and the coating from this small repair kit. And this is how it look at before. So you can imagine, yeah, how bright the light will be with this repaired headlight. I will use a glass cleaner for this headlight, so you can't say to me that it is dirty from the road. This one and this one. So, and the difference is very awesome actually. This is the repaired headlight. It looks very clean, and this is the old one. So if you are planning to buy this small repair kit, because there are a lot of them on AliExpress, on eBay also, and I think on Amazon also they are those kits. So you can easily buy them, repair your headlights. Costs from $20 to $50, $60. It's not so expensive, but the result is very good. And you can use your headlights more and drive safely with a bright light. And now I'm just gonna repair the other headlight, put them back on the car, and I'm ready to go. If you liked my video, put some likes on it, comment what you think about this coating. Maybe you have some different experience with the repair kits like this, with the liquid and the steam bottle. And subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.